Let's start with talking a little bit of what is a pivot table and what is a pivot chart. A pivot table is a powerful tool within Excel to analyze, summarize, and calculate data. And what it does is that it lets you to see patterns, trends within your data. Here's, for example, a pivot table that summarizes the amount of fruits that you've sold in each country separated by each fruit. What you need to do before you start is to make sure that your data is cleaned, meaning that there should be no empty lines, no totals, only raw data, and it's easiest to work if the headings are unique. A pivot chart is very similar to a regular chart, but it's next level. The pivot chart is connected to the pivot table. That means that if you make changes in the pivot table, the pivot chart will also change. That means that it's interactive filtering and sorting, and also the layers that you have in your pivot table will be easy to modify and customize in the pivot chart. Let's say here, for example, that we want to see only the apples. We change the pivot table to only include the apples. And here you can see that the pivot chart also updated to only visualize the apple. If you use slicers, that will affect the pivot table, but also the pivot chart. Let's move on to how you create a pivot table and the best tips and tricks.